A bakery has the following pricing for large orders of cupcakes. The first 100 cupcakes of any order cost $2 each. Each of the next 150 cupcakes only cost $1.75 each. And each cupcake ordered in excess of 250 costs $1.25 each. Complete the visual chart below to represent the cost on the provided intervals. So we've got three different pricing structures here. The first is going to be 100 cupcakes are going to cost $2 each. So that's going to be very straightforward. Our first 100 are going to cost $2 each. So we've got this threshold right here, 100 cupcakes. They're $2 each is going to cost $200. So we can make notes here. $2 each for first 100. We can show the domain here for one cupcake, so it can equal 1, all the way up to 100 cupcakes equaling 100. We're going to fall into that price range. Then it says each of the next 150 cupcakes only cost $1.75 each. So I think that in this scenario, we realize that to get the price, we're going to have to do $1.75 times the number of cupcakes. But what we need to realize is that the first 100 cupcakes are still going to cost $2 each. Those don't change in price. So that's only going to be for cupcakes 101 to 250, because we need 150 more cupcakes. So that's going to give us a total of 250. So here we're going to do $1.75 each. And if we do $1.75 for 150 cupcakes, that's going to be $262.50. So if we add that to the 200 that we paid for the first cupcakes, we're up to a total here of $462.50, because we paid $200 over here for the first 100, and then we paid $262 for the next 150. So for the total of 250 cupcakes, we're up to $462.50. Then after that, it says that any cupcake we purchase is going to cost $1.25. So in excess of 250, that means that there's no upper limit. Okay, so from cupcake number 251 to cupcake 1,000, 2,000, however many a customer buys, those cupcakes are going to be priced at $1.25 each. So we're going to utilize this information to answer a couple of questions. Okay, first question being, if mom orders 10 dozen cupcakes for a birthday party, what is the total order cost? So 10 dozen is going to represent 10 times 12, or 120 cupcakes. So the first 100, based on our chart up here, the first 100 are going to give us a total of $200. Then she needs to buy 20 more. Okay, her second 20 are going to be at our $1.75 each. Cupcakes 101 to 120. So 20 cupcakes times $1.75 each gives us a total of $35. And when we take the $200, add it to the $35, we get $235. So we could say the mom would need to pay $235 to purchase 10 dozen cupcakes. In our next scenario, a couple is going to order 300 cupcakes for their wedding. So we can actually look at this threshold or this benchmark price right here. So for the first 250 cupcakes, we've calculated it's going to cost $462.50. And then in addition to that, she's going to need 50 more cupcakes at the price of $1.25 each. So 50 times $1.25 is going to give us an additional $62.50. And when we add these two totals together, we get an overall total of $525. So to purchase 300 cupcakes, it would cost $525.